Well, it's been 3 months since Intermountain Health announced the Bloomin' Babies Birth Center is closing the only natural birthing center in western Colorado. The sudden closing left many future moms worried and without a backup plan. Alex Ailey has more.
Following the closure, advocates of natural births are now trying to bridge the gap and support families who prefer low intervention care. Elena Marquez is a former birth assistant at Bloomin' Babies, which closed because of declining birth rates. She says without the natural birthing center, women are left with two options: hospitals or home births. With hospitals becoming the primary location for care, Marquez says that nurses have been working with midwives to implement more low intervention options.
Less machines in the room, less monitoring, and then if the mom was high risk, then she would pop over to another room.
Marquez says hospitals have been accommodating to women who want less invasive care.
You can still have low intervention, unmedicated births, and they're very supportive of that, and so they're working really hard to kind of bridge that gap right now.
Home births are another low intervention option, but they're not always the most affordable.
Home birth is self-pay, so if you have insurance, it's probably not going to cover that. And so that's kind of a huge issue.
While Grand Junction has 2 hospitals and a number of midwives available for home births, women in surrounding rural communities still face challenges.
A lot of the other towns, their hospitals are not on board with natural birth, and they're very intervention kind of ran. And so I think a lot of ladies are feeling really helpless of like, where do I go? What do I do? How do I achieve this birth that I really want?
While the community is working together to support natural births during this time, Marquez and many other women in the community hope to see a more permanent solution. Despite her frustration of the center closing, Marquez says that there is talk of another birthing center potentially opening, but no plans are official. In Grand Junction, I'm Alex Ailey.
Marquez also says the Colorado Birth Collective has lots of resources for women and encourages those who need support during this time to stop by. More information can be found on our website.